here to share the September-October Traveler's Notebook Kit that is currently available. So we will be doing 2 different months with this kit. This one right here is for September, and it uses the Simple Stories Forever Fall collection, and it is such a fun collection. I really think the addition of like the pink that you see, the light pink and the light blue, really make it a different fall collection. So we'll be playing with that collection. I have put that into my black or cream speckle TN, but I want to show you guys this too. Look how fun this would be. This is the new blush speckle, and with that pink, wouldn't that be so much fun in that TN? So that's the blush speckle that is available as an add-on if you would like to add that to your kit. All right, so the contents of, actually, let me back up for a second. So we're gonna be decorating the pockets, as we always do, and then creating slip covers. So I've created a slip cover for one of my inserts, and then another one of my inserts. And I love that kind of buffalo plaid. But what's fun in Forever Fall is that it's a super dark navy instead of a kind of traditional black that you see on a buffalo plaid. All right, so let's look at the contents of the kit for that particular month. As I mentioned, we're using the Simple Stories Forever Fall collection. We're starting with a full sheet of the 12 by 12 stickers. And that'll give you a really good feel. Tons of stickers. If you've done the kit before, you know that you have tons of stickers left over and lots of different options for decorating your pockets and your inserts. So the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And then the 3 by 4 element paper. And the 3 by 4 element paper we are cutting up and using to kind of decorate our pockets. And then 2 12 by 12 sheets that we are using for the slip covers. So there's one sheet, and as you know, all the papers are double-sided. So if you saw, if you really liked one pattern versus another, you could just flip that up and do your slip cover accordingly. So that's the one I use. And then that's that kind of navy buffalo plaid that I used, and then that fun kind of light blue leaf pattern on the back side. All right, so that is the part of the September kit. Now let's take a look at October, and then we'll also show you some of the other little bits and pieces that are included in the kit. So this is October, and this uses the Simple Stories Happy Halloween Simple Set. Isn't that so stinking cute? Little characters in there are just adorable. So we will be decorating the pockets again, doing the slip covers. There are a couple of things that I'll show you that I've added to the kit in a second, but I'm decorating pockets and doing slip covers. Now, I've had this on Instagram, and a number of people have said, oh my gosh, what TN are you using? So this is the Simple Stories black vintage floral. So it is black, kind of a really dark gray inside, and that's what it looks like on the front. So if you wanted to do something black, that black vintage floral is available as an add-on for your kit. And then I also wanted to show you this one as well. This is the typewriter floral. So let's look at the back side. It might be a little bit easier to see. That's the typewriter floral. But on the inside is also, whoops, still has the packaging on it there. The inside is also kind of that dark gray. And then how fun is that buffalo check in the center? So that could also work really well for Halloween if you wanted to go with something a little bit darker. But then the nice part is you've got that cover that looks nothing like Halloween. So you're not necessarily kind of pigeonholing yourself into something that is a little bit more, excuse me, a little bit more darker than you may have wanted. So that's the typewriter floral. That's also available as an add-on. All right, so let's take a look at, we already looked at the pockets, but let's take a look at the 2 slip covers. So there's one slip cover there, decorated, and then look at, isn't that the cutest thing? And all those little characters. I just love this little symbol set. It is so stinking cute. So that is going to be October. Let's take a look at the supplies in the kit for October. So you have the 6 by 12 sticker sheet, and with the simple sets, they're always a smaller sticker sheet, but you still have tons of stickers there, and I didn't even use all of them in decorating. And then our 3 papers. The first one are the element cards, and the simple sets, the elements are a little bit different. So you have 4 3 by 4s and 2 4 by 6s. And then the 2 papers I used, Another kind of interesting take on that buffalo plaid, and this one is kind of that really fun Halloween green, kind of slimy colored green, not slimy, that didn't sound right. You know, the kid slime, way back in the day, the original was kind of that color. So let's think slime, the toy, not slimy, when we're talking about that. On the back side, you have some fun pumpkins. So you have an option, obviously, in which side you would like to be facing forward in your slipcover. And then this great stripe. I'm always a sucker for a great stripe, and I used that one, the front side of that for the slipcover, but you always have a nice kind of neutral polka dot on the back side. Alrighty. The other contents of the kit. So with the kits, each bi-monthly kit, you always receive one new traveler's notebook, and we are slip covering that. And the reason we're slip covering that is so you can take an insert and move it from month to month to month and not have it be too themey. So you can always switch up the slip cover to match the theme that you're going with. So another insert, washi. So you're going to have, I think, 24 inches of 2 different washies. So this month we're using the, actually we can see it better this way. This month we're using the Aztec, as well as kind of that cream black polka dot. And then the little extras in the kit. So I'm gonna hold these up because they're gonna be a little bit hard to see. You are going to have 2 glitter leaves, and they may be different colors in this, but they will still coordinate with your kit. So this one I have used in my pocket in the fall. In my fall, sorry, I got sidetracked there. In my fall tan for September, there we go. And then this purple one, and again, your leaf may be a different color, but it will still go with this particular theme. And that purple one, actually, I've used a green one there, so you may end up with a little bit of that. And it's just a little piece that that tucks in there. Then we are also going to be making another paper clip with the little wooden spider. So you'll have a wooden spider and a paper clip in your kit. Last but not least, you're going to have a piece of stretchy elastic. And with this stretchy elastic, I'm going to show you how to create a jump band. And with a jump band, you will be able to add more than 4 inserts to your traveler's notebook. So we'll kind of go through that. I'll show you how to do it. And we'll talk in the video, kind of the plan with me video, on why you might want to add more than 4 inserts to your traveler's notebook. All right, so that is the September-October Layle by Mail Traveler's Notebook Kit. In the copy, the words on the video, in the YouTube video, you will see my blog, and you can click on the blog for more information about the kit, as well as price and how to order. And at the end of the video, you will also see information on how to order. So there we have it. And this one is shipping now. So I have definitely limited quantities on this because it is super, super themey with October, or excuse me, right, with October for Halloween. So if you are thinking about ordering, you might want to order quickly. I'm about 85% already sold out. So you've got all the information you need. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall. Hope when the